Welcome, traveler, to Medieval Meals. Episode 2, Pottage with Laces of White Capon. Start by using all your remaining gold to grab the biggest capon or castrated chicken you can find. Make short work of it like you would a bandit that sullied your honor. Pray that the old gods bless you with beef shins or shanks, and add this along with your capon to the cauldron. Boil it with salt until it's tender as a maiden's kiss. Once cooked, set aside your dismembered capon for later. Meanwhile, ground blanched almonds into a paste which will help thicken our pottage. I ran out of gold buying the capon, so I thieved unripe or sour grapes from the Lord's vineyard to make improvised verjuice, an acidic nectar made from sour fruit. Add the verjuice into your stew along with your white wine. 4 hours spices grind together black pepper and cardamom to mimic your grains of paradise. Add this along with your sugar and stir anise. Let the broth reduce until thick while you put your severed limbs of the capon to good use by frying it in duck fat. In the same skillet, fry your almonds for texture. Shred the capon's plump bosom into laces finer than a forest nymph. Fill your cauldron with your meat and glorious broth. Cast your capon laces and seared chicken atop your stew, adorning it with your toasted almonds, making you revel in the beauty of a pottage thicker than a highborn's bottom. The broth was sweet, sour, hearty, and savory, reminiscent of my wife that was taken by the lord of the land. Anyways, farewell, traveler, and make sure to follow for the next episode of Medieval Meals.
Please, sir, I want some more.